Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Myself Sunil Kumar Jaiswal, solution specialist in manufacturing at Capricorn Technologies Private Limited, and I would like to welcome you all to today Tech Tuesday video. And today topic is how to use loft and coil command in Inventor. Before going into session, allow me to introduce our organization. Capricorn is India's leading design and construction management technology solution provider for manufacturing, architecture, engineering, and construction. We are one of the Autodesk largest platinum partner and an authorized training center. We have more than 300 plus dedicated team member, and Capricorn serves over 20,000 clients in the AEC and related industries. Capricorn has contributed significantly to the country adoption of computer-aided design for more than 3 decades. We offer the best solution approaches and practices to increase your productivity and lower project risk. So we are delighted to inform you that we have a global footprint to serve you with best of our abilities. Capricorn Technology is now a part of Arcans Group. So today we will cover two important commands in Inventor software. First one is loft command, and loft command is what? Loft command lofts blends multiple profile called section and transition them into smooth shape. Work from a sketch that represent cross section of the loft feature and contain sketch section on separate planes. In addition to sketch profile, you can select object faces and point to include a loft section. And other one is coil command. Use coil feature to make compression spring or threads on a cylinder. So let's move into the Inventor screen and we will see those commands. As we can see that this is our Inventor Professional 2024 uh, screen, and here we have a different cross section, circle, square, and polygonal. And just I am showing through the loft command. There is a different cross section, and loft command is help to adding material along a axis. We can create any 3D model, different cross section add along the axis, and we will get a 3D model. So just like we have a 3 cross section, and I would like to perform loft command. So that first select loft command, and one by one we have to select cross section. And as we can see, we can get a solid. If we select surface, then we can get a surface model. So just click on OK button, and you can see through the loft command we can get a 3D solid model. 3 different cross section I'm using for loft command. So you can use a number of cross section, multiple cross section. And next command is coil commands. So just I'll show you how to perform coil command. So first of all, we have to create a sketch. So suppose just I'm creating this plane. Sorry, just I'm selecting this plane and creating a sketch. So first I'm creating a circle, and other one is we have to create a center line. So this is our center line. Click on finish sketch button and select coil command. So as we can see in this preview, there is a pitch and revolution option, and pitch value is 10 mm and revolution also 10. We have 4 option available in method. Suppose I am selecting revolution and height, then we can give revolution, number of revolution, and height, total height. So suppose I'm giving 100. So also we can create a spring. Similarly, pitch and height, we have a spiral. So just I'm selecting revolution and height and just click on OK button. There is a rotation left to right, right to left. You can check it. Also rotation close, start in and close in. So we don't currently we don't need. So I can uncheck this and just click on OK button. So you can see helical spring has been created. So for more videos and updates, do subscribe our channel Capricorn Technology Private Limited and like and comment if you like the Tech Tuesday video. And we would be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us for any suggestion, query, or topic you would want to discuss. So, guys, see you next week. Take care. Bye bye.